welcome back to my channel, or welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I'm doing a fidget tour. I have a bunch of the same squishies because, well, I need to give them out. And so first I have 5 of these squishies in different sizes because I'm giving them to my BFFs. I have a lot of best friends. Then I have this one. It says, love you, you on it. And then I have this money one. This is actually the first money one I made. And that's the only money one I made. Got a puzzle ball. That is my favorite thing to play with all the time. And I got 3 pop tubes. And my brother absolutely hates them, but I love them. Ow! My head. But they're dangerous. Unicorn, stretched unicorn poppet. Stretched backwards unicorn poppet. That actually has really good pops. On both sides. And I got a normal unicorn poppet that is not stretched in the right way. It has okay pops. And then I have an LOL poppet. And an Among Us poppet. I'm thinking of turning into a keychain. I already had a broken thing when I got it. Thinking of turning it into a keychain. I don't know. So in the comments if I should turn it into a keychain. And I got a poppet bracelet. And I did pop my Dito, my change color Dito ball. That was actually really fun, but as I do, cut it in half and take the slime that was inside of it out. And I got it separated into containers. So let's get a random number out. These numbers. 17, 18, 19, and 20. And as you can see, there's slime inside. I'm going to just take one out. There's just like these mini, tiny parts of slime. Look at my friends want to play with them. I'm going to say, you only get a small piece. And there's their small piece. You're not going to suspect that small of a piece, but that's what they get. And then I got kinetic sand. Sorry that all my videos are really short. It's just that my mom doesn't know I have a YouTube channel. And they're also all in my room. I got kinetic sand. Whoa. So, yeah,